So today is also another day for Hamster Kombat minus, right? So today I'm going to show you how the daily combo for today. Here's the daily combo. So you just click on where it says daily combo right here. This user dashboard is really friendly right now. So we click on where it says legal, and our first card is anti-money laundering. So you click on it and you click on where it says go ahead, and then boom, our first card is ready. The second card is special, right? So with special you look for this card right here. With the special you look for this card right here. Let me see, top 10 global ranking, right? So you click on where it says go ahead, and then boom, this card has been bought. Now the last card is at legal. It's also a legal, so license Indonesia is the last card right here, and as you can see, it's very profitable. And then as you can see, boom guys, the combo is complete and we are doing great. So you click on where it says complete, and then boom, good job CEO, go for today achieved, keep it up, and great achievement await you. You are capable of more. All right, so boom guys, this is what we got right here. This is the combo for today, guys. This is the combo for today. So see you in a very next one. In the evening, I'll be uploading the daily cipher for today and all those stuff. So guys, this is my profit per hour. I urge you all to continue upgrading your profit per hour right here. As you can see, and this is also my coin balance. So we'll see you in the very next one. If you're new, subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Peace out.